Let's see if I understand this. So we go here. Mimic. I think mimic. Yeah.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief.
Yeah. But how can you... Technically I'll let them escape. Hey. First he was in the corner and let him escape, so I came back. But I don't understand this. You go back. He has to escape in order for me to win. Yeah. Okay. Let's see what we have here. Same situation. So it's about promoting the pawn. So I need to go back. What? Okay, let's do this again. So here I need to go back. Oh, here. Oh yeah, I see. That was stupid. Okay, let's try it again. Yeah. Yeah. This end game really, wow. Okay, let's see. Safety promote your pawn on the 7th rank. So when the pawn is on the 7th rank, the key square are the square on the 7th and 8th rank. Touch the pawn. Okay, I understand that. Okay, so technically this. Yeah, okay, that was fast. Okay, rook pawn. Yeah. Okay, on advanced rook pawn, Kenner has 2 key square. Okay, yeah. There's 2 squares on objective files. Okay, so technically if I be here, I can walk safely. Okay, let's see if I understand. If you're here, this is the place where you need to be. Interesting. So let's see. I forgot what to say. How to draw for 10 more move. The touch the promote square. Reach a square and win. Prevent the black from reaching the square to draw out the game. Okay. I don't know what happened, but what? Go back, what happened here? So I need to reach these squares, right? Okay, so technically where you see this, you need to go to here. You cannot come with the king. So this goes second, you get him. Okay, so technically this. That's also an option. Okay. Let's see. Any key square by any root. Oh, square and the path to. Okay, I get it. What? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's the same. So what's the problem? What? Oh, I need to go here. So technically it's saying I need to go this. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Oh, up. I see. You cannot come here, so that's not. But I cannot go there, so that's not a problem. Dude, seriously? Let's see again. Okay, wow. I start to understand how this works. Thing is, the beginning is a little bit difficult. Okay. Let me change the exercise. Change it to another one. Give me 1 second. So puzzle, and then No, learning the basic thing. Is these things are not that difficult, but I think I need to find an exercise where I can look at the end game and see how I can get there, because I think that's the best way in order to learn this chess. So we're gonna walk the way around, not how you can get there, but how people get to that situation. So yeah, I think we have it, so should be fine. So the last exercise, direct opposition. Let's see what it's saying. Direct opposition, the position in which the king are on the same rank. So I assume rank is the horizontal of file, and they are separated by one square. In such a situation, the player not having the move is said to have the opposition. Okay. The side without the opposition may have to move the king away, potentially allowing the opposing king access to important square. Take the opposition to reach a square and win. So technically, it's my turn, and they are the opposition. That's what I'm saying. So this is file. No, this is rank, and this is file. Okay, I can understand that part. The player not having the move said to have the opposition. Opposition may have to move the king away, potentially. Okay, but why is that important? The position is the position in which the king are on the same rank. Okay, so it's saying I need to go away. Okay, I don't get it. I really don't get it. Let's see hints. Oh, so it's technically the same as last time. Can I go one more? Yeah, I think so. It's technically the same as the other one. Yeah. So here I know I need to go up. Up. He needs to move there. So he cannot come here. And he goes there. I don't understand why yet. He's late. This part I understand. Okay, second part. Same situation. How to draw for 20 more move. Okay. Let's see. We have someone here. And these are squares I cannot visit. Okay. Oi. What? I only have the king. Good. I can't go there. Okay, I need to get used to this. So one, I need to push, mimic. But the problem is, what do I do here? Because this will guarantee come here. I cannot go there. I cannot go here. Wow, so I technically I'll open it for him. What's the best move here? What? Let's see if I understand this. So we go here. Mimic. I think mimic. Yeah. Go down. Why wouldn't he move this? Oh, he cannot come here, of course. Just draw. Okay. Second one. Okay, so we are on the fourth. These three are important. I need to get as fast as possible in it. So I'm in it. And it's not good again. Wow, why is that? Okay, it's a little bit scary. It seems like I'm mimicking him the whole time. Okay, so let's recap, because it's a little bit scary. So okay, I understand that now. Okay, safety promote your pawn. Yeah, this is a difficult one. I can eat them, what's the problem? Oi. Okay, let's do it again. Trick. So it's a draw. I see. This is now a draw. Okay, let's do it again. Huh?
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be great.